Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I have a project for you today. It's going to be a quick, simple, and easy one. It's a candle holder in a mini arrangement. If you think this is something that you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get right into it. So this does complete our tutorial for today. Your candle holder in your mini floral arrangement. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we upload a video. Until next time, may God bless you. See you soon on our next video. Bye.